Hey guys, what's up? It's Alyssa. How's everybody doing today? So today I'm going to be showing you a DIY that I've been doing for a very long time on how to get a black charmed choker. It is super easy and I've been doing this for a super long time. So all you need for this is three things. Black tights. They could be nylon, they could be spandex, doesn't matter. Spandex ones are usually better, but whatever. I got this like sheer nylons right now, but that will work. And scissors. You're gonna need some scissors and some charms. I like to take charms off of necklaces or bracelets that might have broke. So this is a good way to recycle those charms and to make them into something new. So first, all you're going to need is to take the tights and start cutting them with the scissor. So you're going to cut just along like this. Cut the bottom off. So now we have the cut off bottom of the tight. And you could make, depending on how thick you want your choker to be, you could cut it thicker or thinner. But you don't want to go too thin, because if you go too thin, then it would easily break and the charm will fall off. So it's always better to go on the thicker side. Okay, so once you cut it off, you should have a little loop like this. Now, watch. You pull it, and there's your black choker. Easy, and it fits right over your head. See? So to put the charm on it, all you have to do is take your scissor. I like to cut it on sort of an angle so that it's easier to fit the charm on. So now we opened it up and pick out a charm that you want. Let's see, I don't know which one I want. Let's do the yin yang. Okay, so if I want to do the yin yang, all I have to do is slip a little part of the black tight through the hole of the charm. But sometimes it can get a little tricky, so a little trick is to just roll it like this with your fingers. It makes it a little more thinner. Okay, once you get it, you pull it through, just like so. Then you tie it like this. Just you literally double knot it like that. And you hold the bottom part and you pull the top part until it's super tight. Like that. Now you have your charm choker. And then you can just go ahead and cut off the excess on the ends. And there you have it. That is all it takes. Put it on over your head, bring it down, and there you go. See? Easy, cute, money saving, and it works for any outfit or anything. That's all it takes to make your own black charm choker. Super easy, super fun. I love doing this. I've been doing this for so long, like I said before. But yeah, that's all it takes. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment down below about what you thought. Oh, if you actually do this DIY or have done this before, because I don't know, I didn't know if anybody was doing this before. I've been doing this for such a long time. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.